Hi everyone, welcome to join me to learn HSK Standard Course 2. Today we're going to look at Lesson 1, and the title of this lesson is 9月去北京旅游最好. And in English it means September is the best time to visit Beijing. So today I'm going to lead you to dig into part 1 and 2 of this lesson. So now let's get started. The first page, 词汇 which is the vocabulary, 词汇. Okay, so as you can see, there are two lines, and the first line, they are the Chinese characters, and then this line, they are the Chinese pinyin. So now let's focus on the first one, this one. Now look at the pinyin. How do we read it? 怎么读？旅游 and it means to travel, to take a trip. Okay, 跟我读旅游 Okay, next one. 觉得 and it means to think or to feel. 觉得 Okay, next one. 最 and this word it means most. And then number 4, 为什么 pay attention on the last word, it has no tone or it has a neutral tone, so we need to pronounce it lightly. Alright, 为什么 and this word it means, this phrase means why. Okay, so this page it has 4 words, and now 跟我读旅游觉得最为什么 Alright, now let's move to next step. Alright, another page of 词汇 vocabulary. There are also 4. And now the first one. 怎么读 Give it a try. 也 and this one it means also or to. Okay, 也 Next one. 运动 and this one it means sport. It's used as a noun, and then it means to take physical exercise as a verb. Alright, 运动 Number 3, 踢足球 in English is to play football. Here, 足球, the last 2 words, it means football. And then 踢, this word, it means kick, like to kick the football. So in English we say to play football. Alright, the last one. 一起 it means together. Alright, this 4 跟我读 The first one. 也运动踢足球一起很好 Now next one. 词汇练习词汇 is a vocabulary. 练习 is the exercise. So exercise on these vocabularies. Alright, there are 8个 vocabulary in total. Alright, first one. 旅游 and it means to travel or to take a trip. Okay, next one. 怎么读觉得 meaning to think or to feel. Number 3, 最 meaning most. Okay, number 4, 怎么读为什么什么意思 why 很好 Number 5, 也 and it means also or to. Number 6, 运动 and this one means sport or to take physical exercise, but pay attention. When it's used as sport is a noun, and when it's used to say to take physical exercise is a verb. Alright, number seven, 踢足球. 踢足球 meaning to play football, and 足球 is football. Okay. Number 8, 一起 meaning together. Alright, this 8, 跟我读 one by one. 旅游觉得最为什么也运动踢足球一起。好 now let's move to the next step. It's the part 1. Basically, it's the text 1. Alright. So, text 1 takes place in the school. So, it's a conversation between A and B. Okay. Now, A. 我要去北京旅游. Okay. Now, let's start from the beginning. 我, which is I. 要 means want. 去 means to go to. 北京, the capital city of China. So I want to go to Beijing. 旅游 to travel. So I want to go to Beijing to travel. Or we can say I want to travel to Beijing. Alright, next. 你觉得什么时候去最好？你觉得 we know is to feel or to think. So 你觉得 you think or you feel. 什么时候 Now look at this phrase. It's a common phrase in Chinese. 什么 as we learned before, it means what. And 时候 is time. So 什么时候 what time, it basically means when. 去 to go. 最好 最 is a new word that we learned today. It means the most. And 好 is good. So most good, which is the best. So you think when to go best. So when do you think is the best time to go? Okay. B. 9月去北京旅游最好。9月 remember? 9月 which month? 9月 9 is number 9. So 9月 that is September. September 去 to go to Beijing. September to go to Beijing. 旅游 to travel. 最好 the best. So in English we can say September is the best time to travel to Beijing. Okay? Alright, next one. 为什么 Why? Because 9月的北京天气不冷也不热。Alright, 9月的北京 The September of Beijing 天气 weather 不冷不 is a negative word which means not or no. So 冷 cold 不冷 not cold. 也 that means too or also. 不热 not 热 hot. So 不冷也不热 not cold, also not hot. We can say the weather is just okay, it's just good. Alright, and now this conversation between A and B. 跟我读 from the beginning. 我要去北京旅游。你觉得什么时候去最好？9月去北京旅游最好。为什么？9月的北京天气不冷也不热。Alright, now let's take a look on the English version. A. I'm thinking of a trip to Beijing. When do you think is the best time? And B. September is the best time to visit Beijing. Why? Because it's neither cold nor hot there in September. Alright, so this is the text 1. And now we're going to move to the next step, part 2, which is text 2. Okay, it's another conversation between A and B, and this situation happens when they are looking at the picture. See, looking at the picture. A. 你喜欢什么运动？你喜欢 Remember this word? We learned it in level 1 class, which is like. So you like 什么运动？运动 we just learned it today. Sport 什么运动 What sport? So you like what sport? What sport do you like? B. 我最喜欢踢足球。踢足球 this phrase it means to play football. Alright. 最 which is the most. So 最喜欢 is like. So like most. 我最喜欢踢足球 I like to play football the most. Okay. Now A. 下午我们一起去踢足球吧。下午 afternoon 我们 we or us 一起 together 去 to go 踢足球 to play football 吧 remember this word? It's a particle used at the end of sentence to indicate an suggestion. Okay? So afternoon we together to play football, or let's go to play football this afternoon. And then B. 好啊 which means B agrees with what A says. Okay? Alright, 跟我读。你喜欢什么运动？我最喜欢踢足球。下午我们一起去踢足球吧。好啊。Alright, this is the Chinese version, and now let's focus on the English version. A. What sport do you like? B. I like playing football. He doesn't say the most. A. Let's go to play football this afternoon. And B. Great. Okay, so this is for the text 2, which is for the part 2. And basically that's all for today. And I will see you next time to complete the lesson 1 of level 2 class. Alright? So, bye.